Rahmat terlalu asik.
Hello there, welcome to Wong Fong Leong Enterprise. How can I help you?
Actually, I came here today because I want to complain about the refrigerator that I bought last week. My wife and I last week came here to buy the most expensive and large refrigerator. Do you remember me?
Please be patient, sir. Let's take a seat first. Yes sir, I think I clearly remember you and your wife purchasing that refrigerator. So, may I know what is the problem with the refrigerator?
Can you tell me what's the problem?
Yes. Last week, when I wanted to start cooking my fish for lunch, my fish was not fully frozen and smelly. At first, I thought the fish that I bought was not fresh, but turns out the refrigerator was not functioning well.
Yeah.
Puyo madam, I'm really sorry for the inconvenience. So, to make this thing clear, I will refer you guys to my manager, Miss Izzati.
Sure.
Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Rumi. I'm so sorry about your new refrigerator.
Good morning, Lisa.
Yeah, good morning, Mrs.
So today, I already come prepared my receipt and what. So I don't know if you guys can do anything with it.
Yeah, so maybe you guys can replace or repair my refrigerator because I need it as soon as possible.
Oh, I see. I need you to, both of you, to wait for around 30 minutes so that I can talk to my technician about the refrigerator.
Okay then.
Sure.
Enough? After I discussed with my technician, they told me that your refrigerator was out of gas. So that we just need to replace the gas of your refrigerator.
Oh, no wonder my chicken last week was so smelly. So what can you guys do?
No worry guys, we will give you a free service to refill the gas of your refrigerator.
Oh wow, that's great. So let's proceed.
Okay.
I will pass you to my sender so that she will give you all the details and information so that you can send it. I think that's all. Thank you.
Alright,
thank you.
welcome.
Hi guys, so this is all the details and the information that we need to sign and fill in. You need to fill the right information so that I can process the
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Okay, so we're going to focus on okay. Is there anything else?
No, I think we are all in a video. So I hope you and your wife